Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Sunrise Academy. నేను మీ నాని యాదవ్, Sunrise Institute Director. I am Mathematics faculty. In the session, integration, third part. Already part 1, part 2 కంప్లీట్ చేసుకున్నాం మనం వీడియోస్ని. ఇప్పుడు థర్డ్ పార్ట్లో వచ్చేసి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ బై పార్ట్స్ మెథడ్. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ బై పార్ట్స్ మెథడ్. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ బై పార్ట్స్ మెథడ్ now started the class. So very important in this method, in the method. So very important. So this year and next academic year and BTech and IIT, IIIT, any mathematics, so on the depend this method very important. So this method, by parts methods. By what is the by parts method? What is the by parts method? So by parts method, so before classes, so part 1 videos means so directly formula substitute. So for example, by parts methods means so two functions. So two functions at a time is the integration. So integration two parts ni ela integration chestamo chuddam. So now integration of f of x plus or minus g of x into dx is equal to directly integration f of x plus or minus g of x into dx is equal to separate integration f of x into dx plus or minus integration g of x into dx, directly integration. So this function one, this function another function. So the addition or subtraction, directly addition and subtraction, directly integration, directly integration method. So now the by parts method very important, very important in by part methods. So two functions are the multiplication. So two functions are the multiplication is the integration. So like that, first year derivatives, uv method, first year derivative uv whole dash is equal to u v dash plus u dash v. So this is the uv method. So like that, uv method is the derivative. Same one, it is the integration two functions. Integration f of x into g of x into dx is equal to integration f of x into gx into dx is equal to f of x is the f of x integration g of x into dx minus integration of d by dx of f of x into integration g of x into dx. So whole dx, very important this formula. So integration f of x into dx, f of x into gx into dx is equal to two functions are the integration is multiplication. So two functions at a time, integration f of x into g of x into dx is equal to f of x integration g of x into dx minus integration of d by dx of f of x into integration g of x into dx whole dx is very important in this formula. So the function, what is the first function, what is the second function? F of x is a first function, 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 g of x is a second function. You choose that first function and second function deciding. సో మనము ఎలా డిసైడ్ చేస్తాం, మరి ఫస్ట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఎలా డిసైడ్ చేయాలి, సెకండ్ ఫంక్షన్ ఎలా డిసైడ్ చేయాలి సార్, మరి ఏది ఫస్ట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఏది సెకండ్ ఫంక్షన్? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ example, integration x into e power x into dx. What is the first function? What is the second function? For example, integration, next example, integration x into sine inverse of x into dx. What is the first function? What is the second function? So this one is the first function and second function. The first function, second function is the deciding the order. So order is the code. I let what code? So I-L-A-T-E. So I-L-A-T-E. I-let word. This is the word is order the first letter, the first function. So second letter, the second function. Choose that. So what is the highlight? Highlight meaning. So highlight meaning is the, what is the highlight? Highlight meaning I-L-A-T-E. Highlight. Highlight means so. I means so. Inverse function. Inverse function. What is the inverse function? For example, sine inverse x, cos inverse x, any trigonometric inverse functions. Any trigonometric inverse functions. Sine inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, secant inverse x. So any inverse function is the first function, inverse function. So next one, L, logarithms. Logarithms means log x. Log x. Logarithms means log x. So logarithm function. So next one, A means algebra. Algebra means x square, y square. So 1 by x square. So 1 by x square is equal to x power minus 2. This is the algebra function. This is the algebra function. So algebra. Next one, trigonometric function. Trigonometric functions means how many trigonometric ratios? 6 ratios. So all trigonometric ratios. Sin x, cos x, tan x, secant x, cot cosecant x, cot x. So any trigonometric function. So next one, exponents function. Exponents function means e power x. Exponents function e power x. Any letters of function. For example, integration x into e power x into dx. What is the first function? What is the second function? This is the x into e power x. X into e power x. What is the first function? What is the second function? Right. This is the algebra function. So next one, e power x. E power x means exponent function. Exponent function. So a means algebra. X means algebra. E power x means exponent function. I let. What is the first letter? I let. What is the first letter? A, first letter. Second letter, B, order. So this one is the first function. This one is the second function. First function means f of x. Second function is g of x. Integration of x into g of x into dx is equal to f of x into integration g of x into dx minus integration of d by dx of f of x integration g of x into dx whole dx. So this one is formula using. So finally, first function, second function, choose that the I-let shortcut method. I-let word. The first letter, first function. This order is the first letter, first function. The second function, second letter, the second function. So very important. You choose that the first function and second function. After that, formulas substitute. Okay, రైట్. సో వీటి మీద కొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫార్ములాస్ని కొన్ని చూద్దాం. ఒకసారి ఫార్ములా చూసిన తర్వాత ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ని మనం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఫార్ములా చూద్దాము. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేద్దాం. ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫార్ములాస్. సో ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫార్ములాస్, ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఎఫ్ ఈ పవర్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఎఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ డిఎక్స్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ఎఫ్ ఈ పవర్ ఎక్స్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ సి. So f of x, f dash of x. So f of x is equal to f dash of x means so d by dx of f of x. F of x is equal to f dash of x. So d by dx of f of x is equal to f dash of x. F dash of x means first derivative. F of x function derivative f dash of x. So integration e power x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx is equal to e power x f of x plus c. Very, very important this formula. This formula very, very important. So integration e power minus x into f of x minus f dash of x into dx is equal to e power minus x f of x plus c. So next one, integration square root of a square minus x square into dx is equal to x by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x by a plus c. So very, very important in this formulas. So very, very important this formulas. Next one. So next one is a very, very important in this formulas. So next one, very, very problems now started. Right. This one is the problem one. So integration log x into dx. So very, very important. Integration log x into dx. Integration log x into dx. Integration log x into dx. Integration log x into dx is equal to, sir, 1 by x, sir. Number of students is 1 by x answer. So wrong answer. 1 by x is a wrong answer. D by dx of log x is equal to d by dx of log x is equal to. So, okay, right. Now, class is the integration class. So, integration problems. So, integration log x into dx. So, only is one function. Only is one function. Sir, by parts method is the two functions is possible. So, two functions are. Okay, right. Is a multiplication 1, multiplication 1, multiplication 1. So 1 into log x, log x. So this is the logarithm function, L function. This is the algebra. What is the islet? I-L-A-T-E. Islet. What is the first function? What is the second function? What is the f of x function? What is the order? Islet is the first letter. L is the order first. So f of x function first function. So f of x function first function means so log x. Log x. So g of x function 1. G of x function 1. So integration formula integration f of x into g of x into dx is equal to integration f of x into integration g of x into dx minus integration of f dash of x into g of x into dx whole dx. So very, very important in this formula. Very, very important. So f of x is equal to, so integrate f of x is equal to log x into integration 1x 1 into integration 1x means x integration g of x integration 1 into dx x minus integration of d by dx of log x 1 by x f dash of x means d by dx of log x 1 by x integration f of x means 1 into dx x. So dx as it is last ds x cancel. So log x into x minus integration 1 into dx x integration close means constant plus c. So finally integration x log x minus x common means log x minus 1 plus c. What is the answer? X common, log x minus 1 plus c. This one is first option is correct answer. First answer is correct answer. So very, very important formula. Like that formula, integration log x into dx is equal to x log x minus x plus c. X log x minus x plus c. So very, very important formula. So next one. So next one, integration, 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 integration e power x means so integration e power x of sin x plus cos x into dx. So this one is formula method, e power x of f of x plus f dash of x into dx is equal to e power x f of x plus c. Very, very important formula. Integration e power x of f of x plus f dash of x into dx is equal to e power x e power x e power x e power x f of x plus c. So what is the e power x? What is the e power x? Oh, sorry, f of x function sin x, f of x function sin x, f of x function sin x, sin x derivative cos x, so f dash of x cos x. Same formula. Answer is e power f of x means sin x plus c. So e power x sin x plus c. The first option is correct answer. First option is correct answer. Very, very important formula. Next one. Next one. Integration. Integration. Integration square root of 1 minus integration square root of 1 minus x square into dx. So integration. So simple formula, integration square root of a square minus x square into dx is equal to x by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus c. So this one is formula method. Formula. So very, very simple. A square means so 1 no. 1 no. A square means so 1 no. So b square means x square means x square. So both are equal function. Answer is integration. Integration square root of 1 square minus x square into dx is equal to x by 2. Square root of a square means 1 square 1 no minus x square plus a square value 1 no 1 by 2 sin inverse x by a means 1 plus c. So x by 2 square root of 1 minus x square. First option is wrong. Second answer x by 2 square root of 1 minus x square plus 1 by 2 sin inverse plus c. So this is the very, very important formula. This one is answer, correct answer B. Next one. Integration e power x into e power x dx. Integration e power x. So integration e power x. What is the first function? What is the second function? What is the first function? Algebra. This one is the exponents, e power exponents function. So f of x function, x and g of x function e power x. So islet, what is the islet? Highlight what is a first letter A, second order E. So first function x, so second letter, second function e power x. So integration f of x into g of x means x into integration e power x into dx minus integration of d by dx of x means 1 integration e power x into dx into whole dx. So x into integration e power x minus integration of e power x into integration e power x into dx. So x into e power x minus e power x in plus c. So finally e power x common. So x minus 1 plus c. So answer is e power x minus 1 plus c. Answer is C, correct answer. First function and second function. Next one, x cos x plus c. What is the first function? This is the trigonometry function. This is the trigonometry function. This is the algebra function. Algebra. What is the first function? F of x function. What is the f of x function? What is the f of x function? X. So g of x function. G of x function. G of x function cos x. Cos x. Cos x. So f of x function and g of x function. What is the first function? What is the second function? Highlight is the first order letter is a. T means the second letter cos x. So integration integration f of x into g of x is equal to f of x. So next one integration cos x into dx minus integration of dy dx of x into integration cos x into dx. So integration x cos x means sin x sin x minus integration of d by dx of value 1 integration means sin x into dx. So x sin x minus integration cos sin x into dx minus cos x minus into minus plus cos x plus c. X sin x plus cos x plus c. X sin x plus cos x plus c. This one is correct answer. A. X sin x plus cos x plus c. This is the first function and second function. Next one, integration e power x of tan x plus secant square x into dx. What is the f of x function? This is the formula. F of x f dash of x. F of x f dash of x is equal to e power f of x plus c. E power x f of x. What is the f of x function? Tan x. E power tan x plus c. E power tan x plus c. E power x tan x plus c. This is the correct answer. E power x tan x plus c. Very, very important. So next one, integration x square e power x into dx. What is the first function? F of x function. This is the algebra. This is the exponent function. So f of x function is x square. G of x function is the e power x. So f of x g of x is equal to f of x square into integration e power x into dx minus integration of d by dx of x square. D by d of x square into integration e power x into dx whole dx. So x square integration e power x means e power x minus d by dx of x square means 2x into next one integration e power x means e power x into dx. So 2 constant x square e power x minus 2 of algebra. Next to exponent function. Same again f of x into g of x into dx formula. F of x means x integration e power x into dx minus integration of d by dx of x means 1 into integration e power x into dx whole dx. So whole. Very, very important. So integration e power x into dx. So whole dx. So next one. So x square e power x minus 2 into 2 of 2 of x into integration e power x into dx e power x minus minus 1 into e power x integration e power x into dx e power x into again integration e power x so into dx. So x square e power x minus 2 multiplied minus 2x e power x minus into minus plus 2 e power x plus c. So integration close into dx plus c. So e power x common. E power x common means x square minus 2x plus 2 into dx. So very important method. So very important method. So alternative method is also alternative method. So alternative method means shortcut method. Integration x square e power x into dx is equal to e power x integration x square into dx. So e power x of x square plus x square derivative 2x minus 2x plus 2x again 2x derivative 2 plus 2 minus 2. So this is the next step. Next step e power x as it is. So next one x square. So x square plus 2x minus 2 minus 2. So next one plus remaining minus 2x is completed. Next plus minus 2x plus 2 minus 2x minus 2x sorry minus 2x plus 2. So plus remaining minus 2x means plus 2x next to minus 2 minus 2. So integration so as it is integration into dx. So this is the function f of x function, this is the f dash of x function. So f of x function f dash of x. So integration e power x into f of x function f dash of x is equal to e power x f of x plus c. What is the f of x function? X square minus 2x plus 1 x square minus 2x plus 1. So e power x as it is. So finally this one is a shortcut method. Another problem is that this method is solving. So e power x square minus 2x plus 2. This one is first option is correct answer. First option is correct answer. So shortcut method. So next question. So next question means integration e power x 2 cube log 2 base 2 x into dx. So integration e power x into 2 into 2 power log base 2 x power is the 3 into dx. So a power p log x so is equal to a power log x power p is also. Next one a power a log base a is equal to 1. This is the two formulas by using. So next one it is the integration e power x into this is the value is 1. So 1 is the x cube into dx. So this is the two functions. The two functions is the using the two functions. So algebra and trigonometric function. Sorry, it is a algebra, it is a exponent function. So this is the method is the long method, the shortcut method. The shortcut method means integration e power x integration e power x of this function is the algebra function x cube. So x cube is the derivative. derivative and derivative, x cube derivative 3x square. 3x square means adding and subtraction, plus 3x square minus 3x square. So again derivative, second derivative, again derivative, 3x square derivative plus 6x minus 6x. So third derivative, again derivative. So 6x derivative plus 6. So minus 6x derivative minus 6x minus 6 into dx. So very important concept. So integration e power x of x square. So first of all you order plus minus 3x square. So minus next plus 6x plus complete next minus 6 plus minus. So plus remaining terms. So what is the remaining term? So x cube completed minus 3x square. So 3 plus 3x square. So next one plus minus 3x completed plus 6x. So minus 6x minus 6x minus 6x. So minus 6x completed to the plus 6 plus 6. So this is the completed into dx. So very important in this formula. So this is the f of x function. This is the f of x function. This is the f dash of x function. Integration e power x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx is equal to e power x f of x e power x of x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 6 plus c. Very important in this formula shortcut. So answer x cube e power x of, so mistakes is the e power x. So e power x is mistakes. So option answer is the e power x of x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 6 x square plus 6x. So e power x, first option is correct answer. First answer is correct answer. So very important this model, this problem. Next one, it is the log 10x. Log 10x is equal to log 10x is equal to log 10 is equal to integration log base 10 x into dx. So integration log 10 log 10 is equal log 10 by log 10 into log 10 no log base x by e power base x by log base e power 10 into dx in the changed. So it is very important. So log base a power b means, so formula log a power b is equal to log base a power b by log base a power a. So this one is formula. So this is the log base 10 is the constant 1 by log base e power 10. So log e power x into d log e power x log base e x into dx. So log base integration 1 by log e power 10 into log e x. So log e value is the 1 means log e value is also is a log x. So 1 by log e power 10. So integration constant integration log x. So log x into dx. Integration log x into dx is equal to integration log x into dx is equal to integration log x into dx is equal to x log x minus x plus c. So first formula. So very important. So substitute in 1 by log 10 of x log x minus x plus c. So very very important in this problem. So very answer is the 1 by 2 means so 1 by 10, 1 by log 10, 1 by log 10 no 1 by log 10. So x log x by e means answer is the B correct answer. So sorry. So this is the very very important into formula method. The answer is so 1 by log x log x by x log x by x. So log x by 10 is the answer. This one is the option is the answer. So mistakes answer. This is the answer. So option is the mistake. So answer is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. So integration x cube into cos square x cos x square cos x square into dx. So this is the x square is equal to t. So 2x into dx is equal to dt. So x into dx is equal to dt by 2. So substitute in above formula. Integration x cube means so x square means so t into cos cos x means so x square means so t. So remaining is the x into dx. X into dx is equal to dt by 2. 1 by 2 constant. 1 by 2 constant integration t into cos t into dt. So this is the algebra function. This is the algebra function. This is the algebra function. This is the trigonometric function. So highlight what is the first function, what is the first function, what is the second function. This one is first function, this one is second function. So 1 by 2 of f of x is equal to t. So integration cos x means so sin x sin t. So sin t minus minus integration of d by dt of dt means so 1. So integration cos t into dt is equal to sin t into dt. So this is the very very important. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into t into sin t minus integration sin t means so minus cos t, minus into minus so plus cos t in plus c. So 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 means so 1 by 2 means x is equal t is equal to x square sin x square plus cos x square plus c. What is the answer? 1 by 2 of x square sin x square plus cos x square plus c. This is the option is B correct answer. B correct answer. Same answer. So only different is 1 by 2, 1 by 3. So 1 by 2 answer. So next one. So next one means so integration e power x of secant x is a multiplied cosecant x minus cosecant x cosecant x cot x into dx. So this is the f of x function. This is the f of x function. This is the f dash of x function. F of x function is the f dash of x function. F of cosecant x is equal to f of x is equal to cosecant x. So f dash x is equal to minus cosecant x cot x. So e power f of x. What is the f of x? Cosecant x. Cosecant x plus c. So answer is e power x cosecant x plus c. Option is C correct answer. C correct answer. Next question. So integration e power x of 1 plus tan x plus tan square x into dx. So integration. So so 1 plus tan square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x is equal to secant square x substitute. Integration e power x of tan x as it is plus 1 plus tan x, tan square x is equal to secant square x, secant square x. So into dx. So f of x function, what is the f of x function? F of x is equal to tan x, f dash of x is equal to secant square x. So f of integration f of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx is equal to e power x f of x plus c, e power x f of x, f of x means tan x, tan x plus c, tan x plus c, f of e power x tan x plus c. The second answer is correct answer. Second answer is correct answer. So next one, next one, next one. So it is the very important. So integration e power x of integration e power x of x power 4 plus x square plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 into dx. So converted to the e power x of x power 4 means x square plus x plus 1, x square plus x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1 is the dividing numerator. So x square plus x plus 1. So denominator numerator same, x square plus x plus 1, x square plus x plus 1 cancel. So integration e power x of x square minus x plus 1 into dx. So this is the algebra function. This is the algebra function. It is a e power x. So integration e power x of algebra function is the derivative method. Very easy method. So x square derivative 2x. X యొక్క derivative 1. So first of all as it is. First of all as it is. X square minus x plus 1. X square minus x plus 1 plus x square derivative 2x. So x derivative 1. So 1 derivative 0. So again derivative is the derivative. 2x derivative, sorry, adding and subtraction. So adding and subtraction, derivative adding and subtraction, minus 2x minus 1 means plus 1. So again derivative means again derivative plus so 2x derivative 2 plus 2 minus 2. So this is the completed derivative. So next step very important, easy method, e power x of alternative x square plus x plus minus plus minus. So very simple shortcut method, very simple shortcut method is the x square. So x square x plus 2x minus x plus. So all of you, first of all x square. So next to x function. So minus x minus 2x minus 2x minus x minus 3x. So next one plus 1 minus plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4 completed. Next one minus negative values means so minus completed. Next plus 2x plus 2x plus 2x plus 1 plus 2x plus 2x minus 3. So this is the into dx alternative. So first of all x square, only x square. Next minus 2x minus 3 minus 2x minus 2x minus 3x. So next one plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 completed. Next so plus 2x plus 2x minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So completed. So this is the f of x function. This is the f of x function. This is the f of x function. This is the f dash of x function. Integration e power x of f of x plus f dash of x into dx is equal to e power x f of x. E power x f of x. So f of x means x square minus 3x plus 4. X square minus 3x plus 4. So option is the C correct answer. Option is the C correct answer. So very, very important. So next one means so integration x power n into log x into dx. So this is the first what is the first function? This is the algebra function, first function f of x function. This is the g of x function. So I let so I let So what is the first letter? Log. So f of x function means so f of x log x, g of x means so x power n. So integration f of x means log x, integration x power n into dx minus integration of d by dx of x power log x into integration x power n into dx whole dx. So this is the log x as it is. X power n into dx means x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So minus integration of d by dx of log x 1 by x into x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into dx. So next step is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 log x as it is minus x cancel remaining 1 by n plus 1 constant 1 by n plus 1 constant remaining x power n plus 1 means so x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c constant. So finally answer 1 by x power n plus 1 common is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 common remaining log x minus 1 by n plus 1 is common x power n plus 1 means n plus 1 plus c. So answer is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 log x minus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. It is the option is the C correct answer. Option is the C correct answer. So next one. So next one is the integration root sin x into dx. So integration sin root x into dx. So very simple method. So sin root x means so root x is equal to t. So x is equal to t square derivative. So both side and derivative dx is equal to 2t into dt. So substitute in above formula integration sin root x means so root x is equal to t. So into dx is equal to 2t into dt. So 2 constant integration t into sin t into dx dt. So what is the first function? What is the second function? This is the algebra function. This is the trigonometry function. This is the f of x function. This is the g of x function. So 2 into 2 of integration f of x integration f of x into g of x into dx is equal to f of x into integration g of x means so sin t means so integration sin t means so minus cos t. So minus integration of d by dt of t means so 1 integration sin t means so minus cos t into dt. So next one minus 2 minus 2 minus 2t cos t minus into minus plus so integration cos t means so sin t. So 2 into sin t plus c. So finally answer. So t to substitute in no t substitute t value in substitute root x. So minus 2 root x cos root x plus 2 sin root x plus c. So very, very important in formula. Answer is -2 goes. So first option is correct answer. 2 common issues. ఓకేనా రైట్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద బేసిక్ మెథడ్స్ బై పార్ట్స్ మెథడ్ బేసిక్ క్వశ్చన్స్ సో లెవెల్ 1 ఈస్ ద బేసిక్ క్వశ్చన్స్ సో నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్ సో ఓవరాల్గా మొత్తం మనకు 6 or 7 ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ టాపిక్స్ మించి 6 or 7 మెథడ్స్ ఉంటాయి 6 మెథడ్స్ 7 మెథడ్స్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత బేసిక్స్ మొత్తం కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ అందులో జేఈ మెయిన్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎంసెట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ని మీకు నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది ఓకేనా బేసిక్గా నేర్చుకోండి ఇవి ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్